This is the weirdest thing I've ever tried to 3D print, and it's all because of your comments. This is supposed to be the pin support challenge from the website fullcontrol.xyz, but I'm using a 1.8mm nozzle. The website isn't designed for anything past a 0.4mm nozzle, so I had to adjust the G-code manually in a spreadsheet to get it to be even this successful. It is attempting to create a cone on top of a single pin, and that's not how 3D printers normally look. And after a lot of adjusting of settings, I got it to finish without falling over. But I think this nozzle works way better on larger objects. How do you think it turned out? And what do you want to see me try next?